Hi, welcome to Yard GrowingSA, and today's video we are going to see if we can grow vegetables in sea sand. Let's get to it. So first up, here is the sea sand. So here in Cape Town, you do know we have the beach all around us, so there's so much sea sand laying everywhere. And I checked on YouTube to see if anyone used sea sand to grow things in, and I never saw anyone do it, so I'm gonna try it myself and then we can see how it works out. So over here we got the sea sand here and this one. So what I did with this one is I rinsed it first with cold water. And then some hot water. And then I let it dry out. I tried to get as much of the salt out of it. And this one I didn't touch at all. This is the, I didn't rinse nothing, so this will have it. So in sea sand there is a lot of salt, and that is not very good for plant. So with the sea sand, I'm gonna have the one I didn't rinse out and the one I rinsed out in separate bowls, and then the rest I'm gonna mix with this soil here. So this is my own compost I made. This is store-bought compost, and this is Jiffy pellets that I'm gonna use. So I'm gonna mix them with the sand, and then we're going to plant radish in there because radish does germinate really fast. So we're gonna see what happens. Let's get planting. So let's get the soil together. So here is the two. This one I didn't rinse out, and this is the one was rinsed out. I put it in two so that I know which one is which. Okay, so I forgot to press record while I was mixing this. Anyways, this is sea sand. This is the ones I did not rinse out, and my homemade compost I added in there. So I'm going to use the grey ones for the one that is not rinsed out. So I'm going to add again now the sea sand that's not rinsed. And then add the store-bought compost. Now to put them away. So again with the non-rinse sand, and then I'm gonna add the Jiffy pellets in. So I'm mixing my homemade compost with the rinsed out sand, and I'm using a different spade. And I'm using a different board because I'm gonna add now the soil. So I'm gonna add again some more. Then the store-bought compost. Then we add it. And then we add again the rinsed out sand with some of the Jiffy pellets. And then we add okay, so there we have the soil. This is the one that's rinsed, not rinsed. And then over there we have my homemade compost, store-bought compost, and the Jiffy pellets. So here's the seeds. I'm going to put about 5 in each one so that we have a better rate of germination. The reason I'm doing this is so that I know, like, every month you have to buy compost, and it does cost a lot if you're gonna buy every month and you growing in containers and things like that, because you do need a lot of soil. And if you're doing container gardening, you don't really have a lot of space to make compost of your own all the time, and compost does take long to make as well. So if you have a big plot where you grow in the grounds, then you don't have to actually do this at all. But let's see how it goes. If it works, I'll be fetching some more sea sand in. So this is gonna be part 1. I'll keep you guys up to date on how it's going. And if you want more videos like this, just comment down below. And if you have any ideas what other type of videos you want to see, you can comment down below as well. So if you're new to my channel, consider subscribing. And if you like what you see, leave a like. Thank you for watching. Backyard out.